Education class 10 te mathematics then chapter number 1 the topic for fundamental theorem of arithmetic then a fundamental theorem of arithmetic as a every composite number can be expressed or factorized as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factor occurs. That was every composite number mala composite number te number bazano ka number bung ata prime number chun is na po multiply chusto jaise ki 10 in 2 into 5 ata you prime number chun is multiply chus pang ata 10 thop no you lang ata za no composite number ka number po prime number man to lang ata za no composite number tene otong ate kazu chunlo can be expressed as a product of primes jaise ngata example 210 ngata kazu ngati expression 2 tens are 20 5 are 10 then a 3 threes are 9 3 fives are 15 then 5 sevens are 35 then 7 ones are 7 then ngati 210 kazo expression ayanen 210 ngati 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 you just ngata product of the prime of the product of the prime numbers ngata you product 210 prime numbers po ngata chi duk 2 into 3 duk ngata then 5 duk then 7 duk let's close apart from the order ngata jaise ki ngata 3 into 2 into 5 into 7 dinang ya 7 into 3 into 2 into 5 dinang ya 5 into 2 into 3 into 7 dina kazu order jina dina magar result pongata chion result pongata same 210 same result yon now just know apart from the order in which the prime factor occurs this for example jinen in general, a given composite number x, we factorize it as x is equal to p1, p2, pn, where p1, p2 are primes written in ascending order. That was written in ascending order. In general, chीज़ ऐसे तो ngata daksa ngati kazu di ngata answer boyo mira. मगर ngata चीज़ ऐसे तो standard form में नजर तो no ascending order in a desert no जैसे ngati 210 ngati kazu yos 210 na चीज़ 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 nos no then yung ati ascending order na do you idiot no just ngata 2 yung ata less than 3 no then 3 less than 5 enough then 5 less than ngata equal to 7 enough then in general form na kazu this law written in ascending order then yang ati yang example jig na जैसे ngati 255 ngati nenna yung ata 3 na po chawa 3 ocha kata 3 8 8 is a 24 1 3 5 is a 15 then 3 na po mi chaw 6 7 8 maso then ata 5 na po chano 5 1 is 5 6 7 8 5 7 is 5 1 is 5 6 7 8 5 7 is 35 then 17 4 na po man chama 17 1 is 17 then kazu din ngati goma 3 din then 3 sa chen mo 5 do then 5 sa chen mo 17 do yung ata written in ascending order of the primes which is written in ascending order lekin ngata next line ka jarte do if we combine the same prime numbers we will get the power of primes if we combine the same prime numbers ngata factor choose ngata prime numbers thoptano pa the prime numbers thoptene ngati ot sama combine chona same prime number को combine chona what we will get the power of the primes or the power gune prime gune ngata prime numbers gune ngata powers both of चीजें जैसे कि ngata numbers एक ngati factor chona power of चीजें छन number छन में ngati nenna 3 2 7 6 0 ngati nenna ये factor chona ngata chios 2 1 are 2 6 are 12 3 are 6 2 8 are 16 0 2 8 is 16, 2 1, 2 9 is 18 0, 2 4 is 8 0 40, 2 9 is 18 19 1, 2 5 is 10, then 2 nampo micho 3 nampo 3 3 1 is 3 1 3 is 9 3 6 is 18 3 5 is 15 then you 3 nampo chao 3 4 is 12 13 1 3 5 is 15 3 5 is 15 then 3 nampo micho then 4 5 5 number chop 5 9s are 45 5 1s are then 5 is not more prime factors CF 7 7 1s are 7 8 9 7 1s are 7 7 3s are 21 then 13 koran upon chamano 13 1s are 13 tastos kata Gumatangata cheese written in ascending order na dislo ngati kazudin 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 13. Now see tatos ika if we combine the same primes, same primes hamangati combine chona, same prime malak chido, 2 same do, 3 same do, we'll get the power of the primes. Jese ngata 2 sumangati kazu dingen, 2 suma 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 3 into 3 is the 3 ka square into 5 into 7 into 13. Bas. General form in a cheese point chigate was ki ascending order na dislo. Then the second point was kaltes ka to combine chona will get the power of the primes. Kata prime power both which is same with na 2 is for 3 of the ngata e power bo and 2 is 3 is for 2 ngata e power both of them. Next. Tapos ngata ikangata yu langata ngati chi chustono yu ngati prime factor chustono pa ngati yu langati zen prime factorization method. The prime factorization method pongati chief equation dena ngati yu mapo application no use mapo no mardiri ngati class na ngati chilten ngati use LCM na HCF which is na ngati use LCM na HCF ngati kazupin prime factorization method na po. Tatos HCF LCM. HCF is a product of the smallest power of each common prime factors in the number. Then LCM is a product of the greatest power of each prime factor involved in the number. That's ngata numbers ignen tenga this option then have one of ngata example find LCM and HCF of 6 and 26. Now 20 LCM being by prime factorization method by prime factorization method. This is ngata 6 factor pingna 2 3s are 6 3 1s are 3. This is ngata 20 pingna 2 10s are 20 yeah, 2 5s are 10 then 5 1s are 5. Ngata 6 geons 2 into 3 20 ngata geons 2 into 2 into 5 then ngata you combine just kazu dinangere 2 raised to power 2 into 5. That's ngata HCF pongati cheese HCF 6 20 is equal to that's HCF cheese HCF and product of the smallest power of each common prime factor involved in a involved in the numbers each common malap niske na common utan chiduk 3 ina duk ina miruk 3 ngata main 5 ina duk ina miruk 5 man each common malap ngata 2 duk ina 2 duk ina 2 duk 2 ta duk ta ngata each common prime factor chiduk 2 duk marchi gosiduk product of the smallest power ngata ina ngata chinen gosiduk power chunbo power ka be power bo chunut tyo ngati nenches you power bo 2 raised to 1 duk sirf ngati chinen ngata 2 raised to power 1 bo ngata HCF sontono destin ngata LCM felten LCM 6 20 LCM na cheez do product of the greatest power of each prime factor each common prime factor mazara do ina cheez each prime factor inangata each prime factor jions tiapa the changma jar to no inangata common in chang zukmeruk kata changma jesingata 6 is equal to 2 into 3 song inangata 20 is equal to 2 raised to power 2 into 5 song the each prime factors gomangati 2 sten 2 ina andu then ang nang ka urnen ushisu greatest power chanbo tengati 2 raised to power 2 nenim tel thingne next ngata 3 duk 3 raised to power 1 bo greatest duk chesani na duk ru tel thingne ngata 5 chisong 4 into 3 into 5 which is equal to 12 5 is 60 60 ngata LCM also no HCF is 2 and LCM ngata 60 also no ka method nampo prime factorization method tai kartos ngata for any positive integers a and b HCF of ab into LCM of ab is equal to a into b ta daksara ngati things se ngati chi things HCF of 6 comma 20 ngata chios 2 yos then LCM of 6 comma 20 ngata chios is equal to 60 yos kartos HCF of AB lo HCF of A na B ngati yung is 6 zerna yung 20 zertana HCF of AB malo HCF of 6 comma 20 ngata mos 2 yons multiply by LCM of AB ngata mos LCM bunga 60 yons which is equal to AB malo 6 na 20 6 into 20 sum of you 120 which is equal to 120 yung ata formula exhaustion no जैसे कि ngata question jina for example ngata question ji ta se find HCF yang question ji na yung 16 find HCF of 96 and 404 by prime factorization method and hence find their LCM. Taltos ngata niski gomangata HCF of things tene ngata I formula na direct put chose ngata LCM of thing chizeno. Ta jise ngata gomangati ina HCF of things ta na HCF jise ngati ka jo bin prime factorization method ta po 96 factor chona chi ons ngata gospa join 2 4s are 8 9 1 2 8s are 16 2 48s are 98 2 24s are 48 2 12s are 24 2 6s are 12 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3 this thing ngata LCM bo sorry if product bo if prime factor 404 hai na 2 sums are 20s are 40 2 2s are 4 2 10s are 20 1s are I think 3 na po chao 3 3 is a 9 10 1 3 na po mi chao tilting ngata 4 na po 7 5 na po chamano 7 na po chamano 1 into 1 kurang prime number no then 1 into 1 kurang 1 into 1 na po chamano 1 za 1 into 1 then ngata 96 ka chu din 96 is equal to 2 lan po shnga into 3 which is equal to 2 raised to the power 5 into 3 then ngata 404 kazu din ngati 2 into 2 into 101 which is equal to 2 raised to power 2 into 101 tartos ngata HCF ngata chi zatpen product of the smallest power of each common prime factor ta ngata common ka 3 ta miru ngata 3 na common miru 101 na common miru is ngata duk chukstein then ngata common boche do is ka common do common na ngata chi go sejerte do ngata product of smallest power ngata go sano ngata product of smallest power bo ngata ina chi do 2 raised to power 2 small do 2 raised to power 5 portion mo do If yang ngata HCF questions, HCF of 96,404 is equal to 2 raised to power 2, which is equal to ngata 4 yung stano. Tapos ngata ngata ina HCF po top ngata halata. HCF po top tine LCM mo ngati kazo pinjana. Tangati yang factor machwa ikane malta ngati direct ngata pingna ngati kazo pinjana. HCF of AB into LCM of AB, which is equal to A into B. Yung ata pata no tangata A into B chino A na B 100 and A na B ngata just ngata given no 96 na 404 ta sido also ngata LCM bonga tika zo pin jana HCF to ngata pata song 4 HCM os ta LCM bonga tika zo pin LCM of 96,404 ika ngata u ngata e yok pa Einstein HCF ko u ka yok khona chi so ngata which is equal to a into b. A into b malab 96 into 404 divided by e HCF ko chin pel ngata 4. Next page checking it when ngata ka jok so HCF of 96,404 ngata chi osot pen which is equal to 4 ngata AB chin pen 96 na 4 then LCM of 96,404 which is equal to AB 96 into 404 divided by HCF of is HCF po 4 no then yung ngata chamos 4 1 are 4 4 2s are 8 9 4 4s are 16 ngata 404 bo ngati 24 na multiply chona 16 1 into 8 0 8 6 9 6 9 9 6 LCM ngata chios 9 6 9 6 9 6 ngata LCM was 9 6 9 6 is the LCM of 96 and 404 then ke yang question digang try choose जैसे कि ngata yang question मतलब वो question LCM pinches with the help of prime factorization method po then ya LCM HCF को given yotta then LCM वो direct pins tong kao ngata in given formula tang se do HCF is equal to HCF of AB into LCM of AB which is equal to A into B. Thank you.